Look, this is dedication. This is anti-hesitation.
Coach Vince just wants us to be aware of our financial situation and any goals that he wants us to obtain. He wants us to help us get there. He really just wants us to be aware of the myths that they've told us back when we were younger and to take control of it, because nobody else is going to do it for you. You have to do it yourself.
I'm still learning how to manage my credit. I'm still learning how to trust and be comfortable with all of that information. So again, to have this workbook is really going to help drive that home. I can't wait to really implement this in my studies.
This workshop was valuable. I will be recommending it to a couple of family members and friends. I will also try to help them on some of the things that I learned from this workshop.
Done waiting, told you that I wasn't playing. Now you hear what I've been saying. Dedication. Dedication.
Business owners that I work with, they don't have the business finances in order because they don't have the personal finances in order. You get the personal finances right, the business will be right. The business will flourish, the business will grow. Looking at your finances and looking at everything and looking at where all this money is going, that's gonna set you free so that you can create a plan, so that you can know where your money is going, so that you can have fun, live the life that you wanna live. But you gotta get it in order, you gotta look at it. Without looking at it, without the awareness, without the clarity, it's gonna be hard to do that. It's not about how much you make, it's how you manage the money you make. If you do this and you complete this book from front to back, you will be in position to have your money in order, to transform your finances, and live a life that you wanna live on your terms, with you in control, doing what you wanna do, without having to worry. Ain't it ironic? Without having to even worry about money. So that's it, y'all. Thank y'all for coming. I appreciate y'all.